What's going on, YouTube? Sitting in the tech lanes for race day. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Probably gonna break this video up into a couple different races. I got to race Cahill, who is over there, airing down. Travis is already teched in. He's putting his drags on. Raven is already here. She's already teched in. I just took my time getting here today, but here we go. We'll see if RPM can juice up the puppy a little bit. We'll run some race fuel, see what kind of numbers we can get down here in Pueblo. Stay tuned. Before we get too far into this video here, I just want to give Donnie a huge shout out. This was a ginormous undertaking for you to get this together with Greenlight Media, the track, and just getting all this set up. I know there's a ton of other people that were involved. You guys know who you are for the silent auction, checking at the gate, and just staging lanes and everything like that. Thank you to all of you guys for doing what you did on this race day. It made it such a wonderful experience. Let's get on to that video. There's Cahill.
Hey, what's going on, Dave?
What's up? So here we go. Here's Cahill and Travis and Asmodeus. This will be a good matchup today. What's your secret to winning?
I'm gonna hit the gas and go on green.
Go on green.
Yeah.
That's always
totally.
Good. Yeah, go on green. Well, actually, I think you're supposed to go on yellow, because if you go on green, you already lost the race.
Oh, that's how it works?
Don't hit it too early because you're red lights.
Yeah, red lights only get you in trouble if the cops are around to catch you.
Right?
Okay, I think this thing is on. So, Dave is giving me his camera today. Who does that? Who gives the wife the camera? I mean, come on. Doesn't he know I'm gonna be up to no good? So here we go. Here's my big prank for you, hun. Here's his lovely, beautiful car, ready for tech. Dave is nowhere to be found. That just makes me laugh. Okay, so John is here, and he's not wearing a hat. And being a mom, he should be wearing a hat. So we gotta go take care of this. I of course have my baby sunscreen, right? Gotta have that for the kids. So got myself some sunscreen ready to go, and let's go see what we can do to him. Hey, John.
Hey there.
You know what? I have a problem.
What's that?
You're gonna burn.
I've got a hat in the car.
There you go.
Hey, thank you.
Burned.
As all you guys know, or many of you guys do know, this race is to benefit the Colorado State Patrol Fallen Officers Fund, the Family Fund. We have troopers here with us to support us as well. They're checking out the newly wrapped Charger. Check that out.
You're on the second cycle, so yeah, you're good. Yeah, it's between years of 10 and 20, right? Then you're like.
What about 8,000 feet?
So it was a little bit hard to see in that video, but Cahill ended up spinning on his launch. He doesn't have any drag radials, so he lost traction on the launch, which Travis took advantage of that, and he ended up taking the win on that run. So on that race right there, Travis Baker put in $50, John Cahill put in $50, so $100 total in that race was donated to Colorado State Patrol in Travis's name. Now, I was supposed to race Travis as well in a grudge match, and we were gonna put in some money and do a race, but the day got really hectic. So I just wanna give a shout out to Travis. He actually took the $50 in our race that we were supposed to put in and an additional $150, so $200 extra. he donated to Colorado State Patrol in addition to the $100 from that race. So $300 right there from Travis Baker to Colorado State Patrol's fallen officer family fund. So Travis, thank you so much. That was a really generous donation.
Here's Diana.
Stopping it.
So this has been a really rough start to the day. Cahill and Travis Baker already raced, and I was trying to get race fuel in the car. I should probably turn my car off so I'm not overheating here. I missed the race between Cahill and Travis Baker. Cahill spun the tires on the launch and he ended up losing the race. So the race between Cahill and Travis Baker, Baker took the win. We're in the staging lanes right now, and this is Diana and I's first race of the day, and we're an hour into the races, so we'll see how it goes. This is my first run on my race tune and running 112 octane race fuel with all the goodies in here. Wish me luck. Okay, as an agreement that we had earlier, we are putting some money down on this race. The money is going to go to the Colorado State Patrol Fallen Officer Fund, the Family Fund. Is that right? Yep. So we called each other out, $50 a piece. So the winner gets the money donated in their name. So it doesn't really matter who wins here.
We're both donating.
Yeah, we're both donating. It goes to a good cause.
$100 bucks.
$100. It's on.
There you go.
Who gets to hold the money?
I'll take it.
All right, let's do this. Go, 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 go! Come on! Yeah! Woo!
Looks like we're staging up. Don't tell him, but I don't think he's gonna win this one. Looks like he's cheating. That cracks me up. People are voting against you, honey. You gotta do this. You gotta show her up. It's gonna be hard to do. Nice! Go, honey, go, go, go! Totally jumped her off the line, go! Oh my gosh! She's gonna catch you! Yay!
Look at the time. Dinah is definitely a faster car. She's got 11.9, but I got a 12.6 at 110. You lost it at the tree. Oh, so I lost, or I won because Dinah's let off the throttle. She was feeling something wasn't quite right.
I still had a better time.
Yes, you did have a better time, but I think my lane lit up.
Well, you got to explain why though.
You can explain why.
So I'm dead in the water. So my hair. Sorry, I have helmet head. I basically just ran him down on 7 cylinders. I think Glenn said. I have a dead cylinder. I blew a cylinder on my burnout, and then I sat there while Dave got, I don't know, 3 car lengths ahead of me, and then I chased him down.
Her reaction time was 1.7 seconds. So 1.7 seconds to my terrible 0.3, but still.
And I still ran an 11.9.
So
Still pretty good.
well, how about we do this? To be fair, 50 in my name, 50 in your name.
Awesome.
That sounds good.
It's all for a good cause.
It's all for a good cause.
And I'm